She's nice and warm in here. Oh, look at all that snow. Damn. It's like a snowstorm outside right now. And she's nice and safe in here. Whew. All right. Have a good sleep. Oh. Kona time. Gonna do a little Kona driving today. Whew, it's cold. Yeah, I don't have a scarf, so my neck was freezing. So she's doing a little bit of the cleaning, but I'm gonna do it in a bit. Ignore the window scraping, but this is the 2022 Hyundai Kona. This is the Essential Pack, and we're running some Michelin X snow tires. So I want to give you guys a little bit of a drive. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Someone said that they wanted to see the drive, so here it is. I'm gonna be driving it for you guys from my POV. So while I freeze, let me show you guys the tires. So they're brand new Michelin tires. Oh, right in the car. Just oh, man, it smells good. So I'm gonna do a little bit of a drive in here. Let's see how she does. Oh, there she goes. Oh, it's completely icy. So let's just see how these things do. Oh, go! Oh, yeah. So give you guys a little bit of a view. Hopefully you guys enjoy me freezing and suffering here just for some content. Oh, that's bad. Yeah. Let's see how this thing performs in the snow. So this car is an all-wheel drive, has an all-wheel drive option. So we're going to see how she performs in the snow. Ooh.
I still hate
That was fun right there. Did you feel that?
feel what?
The car sliding out a little bit?
Yeah, I feel especially when you turn.
Steering wise though, this feels nice.
The car pretty steady.
Traction is on, but I mean, I would try it with traction off too, but I don't know how that's gonna go. Let's see. Oh, this guy is stuck. Or this guy.
This one?
Or something. Oh, he had his hazard lights on. I thought he was stuck. Yeah, I think he's still running all seasons. Probably wearing out or something. No, all seasons not really the best.
The road is too icy.
That's why I don't do it. Let's see if we can take this turn without traction on. Here we go. That's so fun. I love doing that. The guy with the snow plow is not even plowing the road. He's just driving. Yeah, I don't know where middle lane is. I'm just sticking to the middle of the road. Come on, a little bit faster. And we start going. Oh. At those times I have to slow down. No, I can't even drive normal speed with traction off. Feels like the car does want to slide a lot. It's, you know, it's a nice feeling, but not when you don't want to slide. Oh. Hey yo. That was unexpected. A lot of snow here. Turn traction on for now and see if it can help us stabilize.
Feel a lot better. Now switch back to the less snow lane.
Ooh.
Ay.
It's gonna take some
So
time.
windy.
Look at all that snow.
Hey, look at the car in front of us, the Lexus. It looks like the wind is blowing it away. Oh, surprisingly, he can see you.
He was waiting for me. Like he was looking at me the whole time.
Oh, did you see that junk?
I was trying to make it slide, but the traction held me in place, which is a good thing. But I was like trying to have fun there, and the car's like, no fun for you.
Safety first. I mean, isn't it what the car made for?
Yeah, I mean, no, I'm saying it's a good thing the traction works very well.
Let's go.
I turned traction off. Now traction off would not be that fun if the tires were not good. So Michelin X knows, good job. I'm not sure what I expected. Obviously it's gonna go up.
You think it will put you down?
I thought it's gonna like struggle, but it's not even struggling at all.
Oh, they already have the mountain, the little mountain of snow right here.
I will go in there. Just
Why do you want to go in there? Let this car park.
Hi yo. Why are you holding that? I can't do it fast. Let's not test it. There's a lot of snow here, so. Okay, it just doesn't. Damn it! It like doesn't want to. Let's go on the thick snow, see if it can get stuck without traction. And so let's stop and go. This is nice. It's actually a lot of fun. Let me go one more time. Wow, it actually feels very, very nice. I miss sliding so much with my 370Z. Yeah, I'm gonna park here. This guy's gonna stare at me funny because I'm wearing a camera. Ooh, that was actually not intended. I'm not straight. It bothers me.
You were straight
I know. How did it turn so fast?
because you turned.
No, but I only slightly turned the car and it turned so quick.
My baby is sensitive.
Make sure we are a good distance away. Eat. Cool. Kona drive was fun. Nice. Oh, so icy. Alright. They survived. We survived. Lock it. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Peace out.